thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and heavy rainfall. Humid with lows in the lower 60s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast for Perry, Cumberland, Dauphin, and Lebanon counties, including the city of Harrisburg. Rest of today, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers late this morning, then more showers with isolated thunderstorms this afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall this afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. South winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight, cloudy.
Alright guys, that was EIS number 5, required weekly test. I think number 4. I can't remember the number, but if you know, correct me and I'll try again. But anyways, I forgot the number of how many EISs I got already, but you know. Alright, well, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like this video if you want to see more videos like this in the future, because we're now in the severe weather season of things, so there will be more alerts coming in, and as they said before, there's expected to be more severe weather, so hopefully I'll be recording that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.